My name is Yang Ming and I'm a designer at Artbox Interior. I was hired by this young couple to renovate their 5-room flat in Bukit Panjang last year. Although it had a contemporary theme, there's also a lot of classic detail like glass block and wainscoting. So the idea for this look came from my clients because they are very interested in Taiwanese interior design. Over there, they like to mix classic and modern elements so that the house doesn't look old-fashioned. For example, we follow this concept for the living room and dining area. Both of those spaces have traditional Western features, but the layout is modern and open concept. We also make this TV feature wall specially for the living rooms. It makes the space look like a classic art gallery. We turned down the wall around the foyer and started to extend the living rooms. Other than that, there was also one kitchen wall that was hacked away. Since the space is much bigger now, we could include a kitchen island, which is also a dining table. We also combined one of the junior bedroom and the original master bedroom. This makes the whole space a lot bigger, big enough for a walk-in wardrobe and a sleeping area. They are separated by 2 double lift doors with design that the homeowner found online. We shifted the vanity outside since the bathroom is quite small. To make it stand out, we use grey laminate and gold knot to make it more luxe. Since the bathroom has more space now, we could create a larger shower area. We use black shower fitting here so that they stand out more. The renovation took about 3 to 4 months, but it was worth it. I'm happy with the result, and most importantly, my clients are happy too.